Alright, so the last video, the end of it got cut off. So where we left off with graphing this polynomial right here is I was saying that negative 2 times negative 3 gives us a positive 6, but negative 2 plus negative 3 gives us a negative 5. So those are going to go on the inside of my box right here, which means my factors end up being x minus 3 and x minus 2. So my final factored form of this polynomial would be x times x minus 2 times x minus 3. And that will help me to find my roots or my zeros. What x values would make this equal to 0? Well, for the first factor, just 0. For the second one, 2. And for the last one, 3. And I want to think about the multiplicity of those so that I can figure out exactly what it's going to look like. Is it going to touch these points or cross through these points? So if I look back at the exponent or the multiplicity of each of these factors, all of them are raised to a power just of 1. There's no other power there. And 1 is odd, so all of these have odd multiplicity. And so they're therefore going to cross the x-axis at those points rather than be tangent to them. Okay, so now I'm ready to draw my picture. So let's go ahead and draw those roots. One's at 0, one's at 2, and one's at 3. And remember, we talked about our end behavior was going to be down to negative infinity on the left, up to positive infinity on the right. So I'm going to start from negative infinity, go through 0, go through 2, and through 3, and head up to positive infinity. And my general sketch of my graph would look something like this.